Think about the device that's in your pocket right now. It's probably an iPhone. Now think about the computer on your desk. It's likely a Mac or a PC. For years, there's been a massive, frustrating gap between those two worlds. You want the portability of a phone, but the power of a pro workstation. You want something that fits in one hand but can edit 4K video, render 3D designs, and run the most advanced AI models on the planet. For a long time, the iPad mini was just the cute sibling in the lineup, the one you gave to kids or used for reading ebooks. But in 2026, the script has been flipped. The silence from Cupertino has finally been broken. This is the iPad mini 8, and it is no longer a toy. It is a weapon. If you're watching this, you're part of a very specific group of people. You're the mini cult. You know that 8.3 inch is the perfect form factor, and you've been waiting patiently, then impatiently, for Apple to finally treat this device with the respect it deserves. Well, the wait is over. Today, we are going deeper than just a spec sheet. We are looking at the radical shift in display technology. The leapfrog processor strategy displaying flagship silicon in compact frame, and the secret engineering makes this the most durable iPad ever built. At a time we're done, you will understand why the iPad mini 8 isn't just an upgrade. It's the new category. Let's start with the controversy that has plagued the mini for years. The frame. We've all heard of jelly scrolling. We've all felt the frustration of an LCD panel, felt the generation behind the iPad Pro. With the Mini 8, Apple was finally putting those demons to rest. We are officially entering the OLED era for the contract tally. But this isn't just any OLED. According to the latest supply chain leaks, Apple has opted for a custom-built 8.7-inch OLED panel. Yes, you heard that right, the screen is getting bigger without the footprint changing. By finally shrinking those bezels down to pro-level thinness. When you turn this thing on, the difference is going to hit you like a freight train. We're talking about infinite contrast ratios, pure, true blacks that melt into the titanium frame, vivid colors that make your fingers look like they're painted on glass. But the real mic drop moment? Promotion. For years, Applegate kept 120 Hz for the Pro models. But in 2026, with the competition from folding phones and compact Android tablets heating up, Apple had to move. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to feature a high refresh rate display that makes scrolling feel like silk. No more ghosting, no more stuttering, just pure, fluid motion. But a screen is only as good as the brain behind it. And this is where things get truly insane. Typically, the mini gets a slightly older chip. Not this time. Internal macOS kernel codes have revealed a leapfrog strategy. The iPad mini 8 is skipping the 819 entirely and debuting with the A20 Pro. This is a 2nm chip, the same monster silicon expected to power the iPhone 18 Pro. We are talking about a processor that is essentially a mini supercomputer. Why would Apple put that much power in such a small device? 2 words. Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a gimmick. It's the backbone of iOS. The A20 Pro features a